Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janai if you are new here, and today I am sharing with you a quick glam that I did the other day. I was going to a bridal shower, but I had something to do prior to that and I wanted to make sure my makeup was lasting all day. The first thing I did was my brows, and I'm using a Daiso brow pencil. It's a Japanese brand. I found this in the Daiso around where I live. It's amazing. Then I went in with the Farsali liquid glass serum. This stuff is amazing. I love the way it makes my face and skin feel and look. I went in with the Essence brow gel. This is one of my favorite brow gels. I highly recommend it. And then I went into my Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, and I used the color My Pills to go all over the lid. Then I went in with Tanacon in the crease and started to build it up and wing it out. It's a really soft brown shade. I really like it for the crease. It definitely helps your shadows blend out really nicely and gives it a nice blown out effect when you use this underneath and you really blend it. Going in with Diet Root Beer from the same palette and just putting that in the outer corner. This is a really pretty medium brown shade. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's really good and buildable. So I really like this color from the palette. I did use the top layer of the palette, and that's pretty much the only layer I used for this look. And I went in with Just a Theory to add some shimmer, and I went back and forth to make sure that the shimmer and the brown eyeshadows blended really well together. I went in with my fingers back and forth and then used the brush to blend it out just so that it looks really nice and blended. Then I took a nice little smudger brush and just put it in the inner corner and built up the color a little more. I went and grabbed my Black Track Full-In line and made a little wing liner, which I must say that Black Track I feel like used to be so much darker when I had purchased it before, like a few years ago, and now I feel like it's not as dark. So I did take the shade My Rides Here from the palette and went over it just to deepen it up a bit. I used my Milk Push Mascara, my favorite mascara. This is my second tube of it. It's by far the best mascara I have ever used. It makes my lashes really long, voluminous. It's just amazing. I highly suggest it. Then I went in with my Milk Flex foundation in the shade Golden Honey and just used this all over my face. Normally I prefer to rub it into the brush, but because I was in a hurry, I just took a little and put it all over my face. My Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer with some of the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, just so it lightens it up a bit. And I just blend, blend, blend. I love the Huda Overachiever concealer. It's so amazing. It blends out, it covers really well, and I love the metal tip that it has. My Milk bronzer in Baked. This is by far my favorite cream bronzer. I've used the Fenty, I've used a few other ones, but this one is by far my favorite, and I've been using it for this whole year and it's lasted me this long. I got it actually last December. And then I went in with the Fenty powder and butter and just put that all over. The Kylie Cosmetic blush in the shade We're Going Shopping, and then topped it off with Smoky Whistles highlighter from ColourPop. So you guys, this is the look. I didn't have an outro because I was in a rush, but I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, bye!